Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have some hats. These are gonna be cool. This is a 2-pack of Fedora hats. And whether you're doing for Halloween or you just wanna have a Fedora hat to be cool, this is an option for you, okay? So here we go. It came packed with this in the middle of it. And this is the hat here. And these are they're like very felt. And so I'm sure if you need to make them bigger or smaller, you can just kind of steam it a little bit and get your bigger and smaller. But look at that on me. Ooh, look at me, how cool am I? So this is the gray one, I look cool. And it says it is made of 35% cotton and 65% polyester, to give you an idea if you need any that. But look at how well made that is. That looks really nice. So this is the gray one. And then if I want to wear the black one, there we go. So super cool, super nice. So that looks like from the back. Fits me fine as it is. Could maybe go a little tighter, I guess, if I steam it and push it in a little. But these are good. Really well made and nice. And I like them. I'm gonna look cool. Thumbs up.